Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Mozilla Thunderbird across multiple devices in 2026. This can help you access the same email accounts and messages from different computers. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the same email account on each device. For most users, IMAP is the easiest way to keep messages and folders synchronized with the email server. Open Thunderbird on your first device and confirm that your email account is connected correctly. Make sure your messages and folders have finished syncing. Next, install Thunderbird on your second computer and add the same email account using the same email address and correct server settings. Once the account is connected, Thunderbird will begin downloading and synchronizing your messages. The exact speed depends on the number of emails and your internet connection. Keep in mind that Thunderbird settings, saved passwords, local folders, and some custom preferences may not automatically sync between devices. If you need the exact same profile everywhere, you may need to transfer or synchronize the Thunderbird profile carefully. For regular email access, using the same IMAP account on each device is usually the simplest approach. Give each device time to finish syncing before making major changes. And that's how to sync Mozilla Thunderbird across devices. By using the same email account and the right synchronization settings, you can access your messages more easily from multiple computers. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.